about the church. Once they're invited somewhere, I must be expected to talk about the church. You see what I'm saying? Now, for people who come into the church, you must sign a contract that if the police shut down at the cost for whatever reason, you must go over protest and block the road. Otherwise, you're going to come back there. If you want prayer, it's $2,000 per word for the prayer. Baptism is $53,000. As for the prayer, what we do, once you want a word of prayer, we show you the word that you want, we show you the prayer, you pick the word that you want, we pray the prayer for you, you pay your money and go out of your yard. If you don't have any money, then you can trust in the prayer. If you don't pay up within a week, then you come to, oh my goodness.
Hello. You don't talk to me right now, because as far as we concerned, you straight to me. And I am not going with you. Alright?
Mama, man.
What's going on tonight?
Kananapo the providence. Anybody know that word? Kananapo? No?
So now drink something, right?
So my mother would say,
I don't know correct for.
you don't know bread?
Yeah.
Bread meaning
What?
you cannot move forward.
Man, I'm thirsty. Thirst kill me.
Yes. You know.
So not give my water? No.
But these
Right,
words
I mean.
are power.
See them now look at dragon.
And as I said earlier on,
Look at black man.
their
People are my own,
influences
I like
laws, influences innovation,
Very good
influences
people are my
how
own.
we do things. And so let's not take for granted for a moment that what we are doing, whether it is
See that?
influencing
See
the
that?
dictionary or roots play has never covered. And all I can think about is what
I drink
has
soup.
actually covered.
Before you ever drink
But my
liquor.
neighbor,
So
church sisters,
just get 2 cups of soup.
man who borrow money and we get to pay back the money. And any other thing I was borrow money and we pay back. Boy, growing up in the hills of
It hot?
St. Anne. You only make trip to Kingston once a year. And if you can afford it when the trip is big, you go.
That's why I done so fast.
Otherwise, you're not going to do it. You go to family. But what Roots Theatre does is that it comes.
They came to one of our shows. It was a live presentation to
food.
people with knowledge for one another. And as much as how people might say, they might be hypocrite, they chat them one another.
So all the table empty, them go for food.
Trust me, when you come down to togetherness, cohesiveness,
The king.
real
You're not going for food. You're not going for food. You're not going for no food. Everybody else gone, you know.
Alright. Big up to all the veterans in the building,
Yeah.
We know when she
all the
started
veterans are in the
picking.
building tonight. Georgia, thank you so much.
I just want to say one thing. We want to keep the applause going. It's kind of falling down and tipping over. Let's keep the applause going, okay?
The people,
I know that you're
this is the food line.
Okay, the next person I'm not sure if he's here, Mr. Rowe. Is Mr. Rowe here? Not as yet.
Food load the floor, man. Very food setting.
Miss Tanis Ellis, is Miss Tanis Ellis here? Okay, she's not here.
What's the box,
Miss
please?
Shelly Ann Migos Todd. Is Miss Shelly Ann Migos Todd here? Is she here?
Up to the Roots Theatre Award. Todd, we would like to hand over this $3.5 million trophy. Yes, I wish it was more, but our budget Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Class.
Good night, everybody. Oh my goodness. I give God thanks. Ruth Theatre has always been close to my heart. I started off with Rapolis production many years ago, and it was fun. I learned a lot and met some fabulous persons who we are still in touch with, and you know, it builds some really solid friendship over the years. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for the recognition. I appreciate it so much. Enjoy the rest of the evening. Thank you.